your girl Shawnee, and guess what? We back with another one. How's everybody doing today? I hope you guys are having a great day. My people, this look today was inspired by a dope makeup artist that I follow on Instagram. I can't think of her name right now, but when I get it, I'm gonna put it on the screen somewhere and link her down below so you can check out her stuff. But she is bomb.com, and she did a look kind of similar to this, so I wanted to see if I can recreate that and put my own little, spin on it, how we do. But I'm not gonna take up too much of your time. We're gonna get right into this, but before we do, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, hit the post notification bell so you can be the first to know when your girl is dropping a new video. Also follow me on all social media platforms. As always, I'm going to put it up on the screen here. And that's all I got for you guys today. I hope you guys have a blessed day. I'll catch you on the flip side. Peace.
Alright y'all, let's get into this. I'm just going in and cleaning up my eyebrows using my Pro Concealer in the color Fawn on the top. And I've already shaped my eyebrows using my eyebrow pencil and my e.l.f. eyebrow kit. And I just had to go back in and clean up the part I messed up by accident. And I'm going to just blend that out. And sorry if I sound a little hoarse, you guys. Yesterday was my niece's first birthday, so we had a little get together and turned up a little bit too much for my niece. Now I'm just going underneath my brow with a lighter concealer, and this is my LA Pro Concealer in the color Pure Beige. And this also will act as a base as well for my eyeshadow. And now I'm going in with my James Charles palette with the purple color called Escape. And we're going to go ahead and take that on the outer corner of our eye, right up to the brow bone, and we're bringing that color about halfway across our eye. And now I'm going in with my Laura Lee Cosmetics Party Animal palette in the color Karaoke. Just a nice blue color. And we're taking that on the other half of our eye. And we're going to go ahead and just blend those two colors together where they meet. Just going in a back and forth sweeping motion right in the center. And you're just going to continue to do that until you are happy with the blend. Now I'm going in with my micellar cleansing water, and we're cutting our crease. We're doing sort of a half cut crease. We're not taking it all the way across. And you just want to clean up any eyeshadow so that we can have a clean canvas for when we put on our P. Louise shadow base. And speaking of P. Louise, I am using the Rumor 1, so number 1 color. It's like an off-white color. And we're just putting that base all over our cut crease. Now I noticed here that I kind of inched up too far, so these eyes are not going to be as even as I want them to be, but that's okay. We didn't really go anywhere, so we just did this look to be in the house. And just go ahead and fill in that area with our base. I'm just taking a brush and just smoothing out that area. Alright, and now I'm going in with my James Charles palette using the canvas color, and we're just using that to set this base as well as for blending when we add our other colors. And I'm just putting it right in the inner corner. Now I'm going in with my Morphe palette called Stunning Vibes in this beautiful shimmery purple color called Crush, and I'm taking it at a diagonal angle towards the outer part of that cut crease, and I also brought it up into that original purple that we used as well, just to kind of have a better blending effect. And right on top of that, I'm going in with that same Morphe palette in the blue shimmery color called Rendezvous, and we're putting it right on top of that, going in the diagonal. And then I'm just gonna blend that color out to meet that canvas color, and then also blend it into that purple as well. I'm just doing a sweeping motion back and forth for those two colors meet. And I'm not adding any more product onto my brush. I'm just, whatever product is left, I just use that and just blend it out. And I went back in with that canvas color and blended it into the blue. And you just keep blending until you are happy with the outcome. And now I'm going in with my e.l.f. glitter eyeshadow in this pretty blue color. Now my hand was not very steady, so I did kind of jack this eye up with the glitter. So sorry guys, but again, I'm not going anywhere, so it didn't have to be perfect. You see how it's not really straight, so I did off camera go back in and fix that using the P. Louise eyeshadow base and going back over it with that canvas color. And now I'm going ahead and doing my wing, and I'm just using a black marker. Not a real marker, guys. It's the NYX marker, liquid eyeliner marker. And then I'm taking some black matte eyeshadow and just putting it over that wing to take the shine away. And now I'm going over it with a white liquid liner just over the top of that black liner. And again, my hand was not steady, so it looks a little jagged. And then I wanted to add some more purple because it kind of hid that purple when I put the eyeliner on. So I just brought it up just a little bit so that you could see the purple. And then I went in with some micellar cleansing water and just cleaned up a few areas that I didn't like. Now I'm going underneath my eye using the Crush color. And also the Rendezvous. And now I'm going in with my Beauty Bakery Insta Bake foundation in the color 323W. And now you guys, again, I said this in my last video, this is not a 100% match, as I was not able to go in store and do a match, so I had to kind of just guess online. So I mean, I guess I did a pretty good job by guessing online, because can work, but it's not 100% my color. So I do have to do some fixing with our concealers and contouring and all that good stuff. And I did not use any primer because I noticed the primer that I have right now, it does not work well with this foundation. So I'm going to have to try a different primer. Maybe I'll get one from Beauty Bakery if they have one, and see if it works better. So, but like I said, we're not going anywhere, so it didn't really matter that I didn't prime. And now I'm just going in with my Pro Concealer in the color Warm Honey, and we're going ahead and do our highlight. And just blend, blend, blend. And you guys, if you see some areas that look like it's not blended out, I do go in and fix those areas. I don't leave them like that. So you may not see me do it on camera, but the finished product, all those areas will be blended out. Now I'm just going in with my Juvia's Place foundation stick in the color Nambia, and we're just going to contour our face. Have you guys ever seen that movie Black Swan? Right now, that's what I'm getting from this look. And now I'm just going in with my setting powder or setting flour from Beauty Bakery. This is in the color Plantain or Caramel. And we're just setting our highlight. And as you guys know, I don't really bake, so I just set it there for a few seconds while I sung a song, and went ahead and just got my kabuki brush and just wiped away all the excess. And I've got a highlighter and just did a highlight on my nose, my cheeks, my lip, my upper lip, and forehead. And now I'm going in with my Sumptuous Beauty eyelashes in the style Moscow. And you guys, I still have a promo code if you're interested. I'm going to place that down below. The promo code is simply Shani10. I'm also going to put it on the screen, so go ahead and check them out if you are interested in these lashes. And now I'm just going in and doing my lipstick. And you guys, my lips were so chapped. I did not exfoliate, so this lip did not come out good at all. But the color is very beautiful. It's also from Beauty Bakery in the color She's Just Jelly. So the color is beautiful, but my lips were jacked up, you guys. So it did not come out well. But that's it, you guys. You guys peace out. Have a great day. Love you guys.